Hi, I'm Jenny. I am a freelance developer and I run the Facebook group for female developers called Women in Web Dev. This is a Facebook Live that I did a few
Down
weeks
to
ago.
it. So I see a lot of people in the learning to code groups asking what language they should learn first. And I think that's because they are curious or like they worry that if they spend 6 months learning JavaScript and then they find out that they actually needed to know Ruby, they would have wasted 6 months of their life. And that's just simply not true because there are the programming concepts that is shared amongst all languages, and each language shares similar syntax, and it's very easy to pick up from when you know one language to the next. So technically, like, your time definitely won't be wasted. And the key concepts that you really need to know when you learn how to code, there are several of them, and I use them every day in my day job. So what you really need to know are like 8 to 10 key concepts, and then when you're solving the problems, it's a matter of mixing and matching each one of these to get to the solution that you want. So these concepts are, well, with variable assignments, how to declare classes and methods, using conditional statements, doing string concatenation, manipulating data structures, and getting the information that you need from these structures, using loops, throwing and handling exceptions, and of course, since the web is based on talking to different servers, you need to know how to make HTTP requests and get the stuff that you need from a third-party server. So when you're looking at even a complicated piece of software, these are essentially the things that they're doing for the most part. What's hard is kind of the skills related to that, like the skills to put them all together. So for example, you need to know how to break down the problem. You need to learn how to refactor your code so it's easily understood and you can troubleshoot it later. And you need to learn how to read documentation and how to tell when a resource or Stack Overflow answer is applicable to your situation. And you need to know how to debug your code. So all of these things that I've listed, none of them are unique to a programming language. You just need to learn how to program in general. Then when you learn another one, you can use all these same concepts that you've learned and apply them. So if you're still agonizing over whether you should learn JavaScript or Python, I should say just pick one of them, like one that you're more attracted to, and get started. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments or in the group. So I'll see you again next week.